Actually, right now, parang ako kinakabahan na na-excite. What's up, Lasallians? It's me, Camille Paragsa, and today, February 13, marks Teatro Lasaliana's first ever drag event here in the La Salle University, Dasmariñas, entitled Can't Drag Me Down, Queens for a Cause. Let's see what our fellow Lasallians think. Okay, so I'm here with...
Gab from Common to
Hi, I'm Angela from Com12.
Joanne. I'm from AB Com.
Bree. I'm from Teatro Lasaliana.
Lee.
Rael,
And you're from? SNE21.
SNE21.
What can you say about this first ever drag event here in La Salle? Very historical.
I think it's so nice that our school is featuring drag queens, especially it's a Catholic school and it's so refreshing and fun. And ang ganda rin ng setup nila, so sana mas magkaroon ng mga gantong events in the future.
Isa kami sa magpapaspark ng change dito sa UD, and it's something na I'm proud of sa org namin.
It's one step to diversifying the university.
Drag kasi is not just a form of art. Rather, it is also express themselves in forms of art, creativity, and their performance.
Are you going to the drag event ba?
Well, definitely.
Punta po ba kayo later sa drag event?
Wala po ako pera.
Hindi ako interested.
Sino ang pinaka-excited mo makita?
Actually, wala po akong kilala sa mga drag queens. Pero kung atid ako, I'm excited to see all of their performance naman.
I'm really excited to see Arizona Brandy.
Siyempre si Maxi. Oh, okay. Opo, ganda niya talaga, promise.
Si Maxi and hear her perform on stage. Yan yung pinsan ko, Isaiah Dehesa. So I'm rooting for him. Sana manalo siya. Yay!
Thank you so much.
Thanks.